Hey guys, in our community solutions list, today we'll go through this particular post. The requirement is to calculate the current and previous month sales in a pivot table. Okay, so we have this data. We have date, product, and corresponding amount for each. It's a monthly snapshot. So for each snapshot, right, they have two products and their corresponding amounts. Okay, and the way they want to display is, so the requirement is to display it in this format. Okay, so product as a dimension and month as another dimension in the top in a pivot table, and for each month obviously we can get the current month. Okay, but the additional part is they also want to see the previous month. Okay, so when in Feb 23 they could see the current month value, and the previous month value is what we have in Jan, right? So they also want to see that in the next column as an additional value. So this is what we have to implement, right? So let's go ahead and implement this in ClickSense. And this post was directly tagged to me, and luckily we were able to solve this. So let's go ahead and create a data set in ClickSense. And since the data is at date level, and we also have to create a month year out of it. Okay, since we need a month year, so let's go ahead and do that. So we have this data set. I created an inline table with the date, product, and amount. So I'm deriving this month year with the preceding load on the top. Okay. So we have this month, which is nothing but the month year. We have the product, the amount. So with this data set, so just created as a straight table. So this is what we have, right? For the product, um, for each month there are two products and the respective amounts. So now let's go ahead and create a pivot table out of it. So first dimension is going to be the product. The column is going to be our month, which is going to be displayed horizontally. So we need two measures, both based out of this amount. So one is going to be a straightforward sum of amount, which is for the current month. Okay, since our dimension is a month, so it is obviously going to give me the corresponding values for that particular month. Now the second expression should ignore this, and it should calculate the previous month amount, right? So our second expression is also going to be sum of amount. Now we are going to leverage a function called before. Okay, so if it is a row level operation, so we could use above, below, and we can retrieve the previous row records, or how many level we can iterate. But what we need here is not the previous row, but instead the previous dimension, right? So my current dimension is Feb, then I need the value of the previous dimension value, Jan. Similarly, for March, I need the Feb, right? So we have a function called before. So all we have to do is add a before function in front of the sum of amount. Okay. So let me name this as previous amount. Okay. So now for Jan, there is no previous month, so it's all blank. But Feb, right, we could see 50 and 100, which is the value of Jan. Right, for March we see 82, 72, which is nothing but the previous month values. Right, so we could see the current value versus the previous value. So hope we got some basic understanding. We learned something new on this. Please do let me know in the comment section for any clarification. Thanks for watching.